Hello, hello. This is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and it is SheModern Saturday. Today, we have got Harley Marie with us in the house. She is sporting some orange stilettos. Gotta love that. We are playing with some mushroom and butterfly decals today. So we're going to be applying those on the nail. Or nails. I'm going to be using index and ring finger. Already on the nail I have the glue gel for the glitter and the pigments. Put that down first. Well, first I put the base coat, cured for 30. Put the glue gel, cured for 30. Took the sheer orange pigments. Dabbed that on with the brush. And here we are. So I'm going to take my palette here and my itty bitty little water bottle. I'm going to start soaking my details as I talk. Alrighty, so those are going to soak for a little bit. I'm going to put the grip gel on. That is for the foil art and the gel glue. This is for, wait a minute. This is for the foil arts. I'm sorry, I'm having a brain fart. So I'm going to be applying that on two of the nails. Coat your nails nice and good, so you have full coverage. You don't want sloppy Susie though. No sloppy Susies. Coat your nail. Do not put too much on, so go back over, pull some off maybe. You'll know if you have too much on. It look like a slicked out runway. So we're going to put those on. Stick this in the lamp for 30. We're going to cure those. These decals look like they are pretty much ready. So I have got my Beauty Big Bang stamper. Oh, the head came out right off with it. Looky there. How often does that not happen? Got my little tissue here to dab, dab, dab. I'm going to be using for the base and the top coat. I use the Leaf U by Model 1s. That is a sub-brand of Model 1s. Works pretty well. I like it. I have a few bottles of these and can't go wrong. Always use what you got. Alrighty, here we go. Here we go. Sorry, I can't sing, so don't start now. Keep your day job. Keep the day job. There's our first decal, and I want you to get your rubber cuticle pusher. Silicone. Run this over your decal. Get all the air and water bubbles out. Next, I'm going to take the mushroom. Sometimes the backing comes off with. Just swipe it off. It's no big deal. Swipe it away. Here's our mushroom. As you can see, we have lifting. It doesn't want to stick all the way up. This is a real slick surface for the decals. Just run it over. Whoopsie, whoopsie. Let's see if I can center this a little bit better. There we go. Run it over the sides of the nail. Whoops. Yeah, this wants to slide all over the place. So I'm going to get my scissors and try to do some trimming. Oh. Might have to get the old brush out. Might have to get the brush out. Take your pusher. Push it down. I am going to get my brush just in case. Just to do this to make sure this kind of just melts the edges of the decal, the excess away. Oh no, we don't want that. We don't want none of that wrinkling. No wrinkling. Okay, so we're going to put this aside in case we need it again. On the index nail, we are going to be doing the same thing. We separate these here. Alright, we are going to position my butterfly. I love the blue butterflies. The blue and the black together, I think that's just gorgeous. It's beautiful for spring or summer, even the fall. There, that mushroom fits perfectly on the nail. No excess. There. How does that look to you? I think it looks beautiful. Beautiful. I'm going to top coat those two. Put my stuff away here. Put my implements away. Got my top coat. I'm going to top coat these two nails and stick at the lamp for 60. There we go. We got one nail done. Wipe your brush off on the inside of the neck of the bottle, not the outside. You get full coverage over the decals. There we go. We're going to stick this in for 60 and I will be right back. Okay, we are back. Fresh out of the lamp. We're going to put a little bit of bling on the nail. We're going to get the top coat and apply it to the thumb. Make sure you get your sides. Go back down the center. And we're just going to put us a big old one here today. What do you think about that one? What do you think about that one, ladies? That's a big old one, isn't it? Gotta love them. Hope your Saturday is going well. I see a lot of fall manis going on. A lot. Love those too. Whoops. Yuck. Here we go for that. Just kind of winging it here. Whoops. Let's give us some top coat on the middle nail. See where this mani leads us. You shift that over just a bit. What do you think? I think we are done. I'm going to pop this in the lamp for 60 and I will be right back. We have returned. Excuse me. I'm sorry for the hobble and the bobble. My mani is complete, simple, but elegant, and very super cute. Love the butterflies with the mushrooms. Love just the one bling on each nail. What do you think? I think it's as far as the gems go, I think it's One Just Speaks. Didn't need a whole bunch. Could have, but I didn't. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Hope your Saturday is going well. And the docu-series should be starting relatively soon. Just to keep the peeps updated on that for the series that I'm going to be starting with learning acrylics. Still a little nervous, but it's going to be happening. So if you haven't subscribed already, please do so and click the bell. Leave me a comment down below and have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.